days are growing wise, golden fields beneath the warming skies. Wildflowers lift their colors to the sun, learning every dance the breezes spun. Tiny wings are finding where they belong. Every morning writes another song. Goodbye, July, you've carried us this far, from little dreams to knowing who we are. Green heron standing steady by the shore, bright kingfishers flying bolder than before. Summer's young hearts reaching for the sky, growing stronger. Goodbye, July. Every bloom will scatter seeds someday. Every feather learns its own true way. Nothing stays